Took this trade in the A period. I was looking for the response off that. It's the high from the 19th there. And then you had the VWAP area and the half back from yesterday. And most importantly, you have the, you can see it's a main part of the volume profile node there, how it gets bigger and then it starts slimming down once we get past that level. So I was looking for that reaction. Thought I'd take a shot at it here. If we continued lower, I'd just get out of it. Wouldn't be that big a deal, but it did exactly what I thought it was going to do and started turning around right there. And then I'm looking here. The reason the arrow is there, I'm looking to see if we can get back up over that. That's the open from this morning. And then you have the POC there, obviously. And the next spot I'm looking is the value at high. I think I put an arrow there. And I was also, in a second here, I'll open up the overnight, which is a profile just to the left of it. And I kind of adjust my stop. I looked over at my delta footprint chart and I could see that the D period came down a little bit further in the overnight. So that's why I adjusted that stop down just to get under that. Little pullback in the overnight there. And for a target, I'm looking at that value area high. You know, if this thing really rips out of here, I'd try to get that, definitely get the high there from yesterday. And then, which is basically where it's at now, the first one. And then, you know, if we took off from there, I would be looking for that overnight high next. So right here is where you can see the D period low that I, in the overnight, that I adjust to get under that. I wouldn't necessarily hold until that was over. I didn't want to get, you know, popped out of there. Because if we got down that far, I thought we would complete that rotation down to the value area low. So right there, you can see I'm looking at that value area high. I kind of thought this would turn into, you know, it might turn into, you know, kind of a range day. Just the way we come across that whole, you know, that whole range from this morning and then, you know, back across it again here. And it looked pretty good, but I thought there would be a little bit more aggression if we wanted to push higher. When we get up above that value high, take this first one. That was about 28 ticks. Now in this next one, basically I automatically shift to looking at that high from yesterday, even though I didn't bring the order down, but that's what I'm looking at. Obviously I wouldn't want to take, you know, a loss on this. I would cut out of this before we'd even get to that even. But here it's still looking good. We're pushing up. There's just so much going on there. You know, that's why I wouldn't hold this past that. If I had two on at this point, you know, I might take one here and then, you know, maybe hold the other one, but probably not. There's so much going on that I'd want to get out, and right there I close it. And then you could re-enter like in B period. There was opportunities. And that was 40 ticks in that last one.